This 5-minute solution will show you how to tag someone on LinkedIn post. So here's started a post and I'm writing some random text here. And to tag someone in your post caption, use @ and type the account or username whom you want to tag. Now select the account, and that's how we can tag someone in post caption or description. And now let's see how to tag someone in photo. So I'm gonna uploading a photo, and here you will get this tag icon. So click on that. Now type a name or multiple names you want to tag. Click on add and click on next. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.